what are your thoughts on your first head of house?
He deserves it. He is a leader. He has put a lot of structure. I didn't know that it would be this hard to live with adults.
That free part of him, the playful part of him is no longer there. He's just so strict now. It's now just all about leadership.
For so good, I think he's doing great because he started with, he's not a dictator, welcoming ideas, but at some point he's commanding like how things are supposed to be in his own way, and that's totally fine.
I think he's a good leader. I just think there's some unnecessary things that he shouldn't take as the head of house. Not necessarily because I wouldn't take them. But like as the head of house, you have to have create some sort of orderliness, right?
Yeah, I feel like he's doing too much. He started off well, but don't come and be doing passive aggressive. Like this morning, he was just saying, I'm not going to repeat myself. I don't know what happened. I don't know if he woke up on the backside. I don't care to find out, but like, he needs to simmer down.
It's crazy. We literally just met, right? But I agree with a lot of things that he says. Most times I want to speak, but when he speaks, it's almost exactly the same thing in my head. So I like that I don't have to speak as much because I'm not just here to just be dramatic about everything. So
he's a leader. He's a leader. Like he's making everything go, you know. But the way he's doing it already is helping the house like going in a better manner.
Chimsom, he is very authoritative. I feel like he maybe when he entered the house, he never thought he would win the head of house. But when that position was given to him, he stamped it.